We are in Wortham, Texas. Let's check out their little downtown. All right, Patty, this is your free advertising. Hope you win. There's the Senior Center and Chamber of Commerce. Oh, Pelly's running for mayor too. Well, hopefully she'll win, I guess. I don't know. Is it Patty or... well, I hope both those ladies like each other at the end. Okay, we got the post office. This is a very nice one. I love these cornered buildings like this with a bevel like that. I don't know why I'm drawn to that. There's a mural opportunity right there. There's the bank. As usual, the banks are the best looking buildings on the block. Look at this trash can. Jenkins Grocery Market. And here's the old hardware store. It's now a food pantry. Refrigerator, tops, radios, everything you need at the old hardware store. And it's something hardware company, Holmes. I can't make it out. But great building. And another real estate group. There's the common theme of my channel, the train tracks. This is why this town's here. Alright, this is the Long Botham Lodge. No windows in this building. That's a pretty old building. Look at that. Look at all that tin, that pressed tin. Okay. It's a renovation right here. City Hall. Look at the cowboy theme going on at the City Hall. Take a look at this street. Beautiful. Nice brick road. Love it. Brick roads were a sign of prestige. Back in the day, they were going from just dirt and mud to brick in these old towns. Insurance. Another renovation. Look at that chandelier. Looks great. Here's your barber shop. And look at that. Look at the little spinning barber pole. I keep it inside because some idiot will steal it nowadays. Another derelict building. You got Diane, Audrey, Rat, Krusty. Oh, okay. Trinity. All the, these nuts. We've got Clara, El Diablo Rojo, the Mayor, Cody, W/H. All those people made their mark. There you have it. We got Wortham, Texas. Nice little small town. Got a little Methodist church right there. Looks beautiful. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, you're all dearly loved.